Good morning! This is the overview of our community here in Kumbol, Phnom Penh. Where our church located here.
So that's community is very unique. It's composed of
People from different provinces.
different provinces. It's like Nabihia province, Takeo, Takeo, Ponspu,
Swiring,
Swiring,
Priving.
very wonderful community. Pasig province. Seal office. Here's the seal office. Okay. So we need to siguro after service siguro tanawin tali wala kung saan space. May security na lang gani. Balon sila gali karon ko magpulis daw yung anda tanawin ta lugar no. Pwede.
This is the back part of our community here in Kumbol.
Let's pray for this place. This one, no? It's nice design also.
It's like it's Pitialo house for sale.
Our community.
Look at that. That is our church.
How about we paint red the cross? Agad ka kita no?
That is our church. Look at that.